Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Vondra and welcome back to my channel, Typical Black Queen.
Like a queen, like a queen, like a queen, queen upon her throne. Just like
We're doing something new and fun today. As you can see, my hair is wrapped up and tucked away. I have these flat twists in a protective style and it's not coming out for another week. So I decided to switch it up a little bit and do a home decor video for you all. Since this whole quarantine thing has been happening, I have tapped into my home decor spiritual awarenessness, and it has been the most therapeutic, most peaceful and calming thing that I've done in a very long time. As you can see, I have a bed behind me with some pillows, and you may see some little artwork, and that means I'm in my bedroom where the magic does not happen. So today's video, I'm gonna see how it turns out. I'm not sure, but this will be my first vlogging experience with me putting together my vanity. The area that I keep my makeup in, it's trash. It's hectic, it's chaotic, and it needs to be organized. So I went ahead and did a little plan on my Pinterest and tried to get this whole mid-century modern thing put together and to create a space for me and my makeup. Not sure if this video is going to be long, so I'm not going to talk to you all for too long, but you know, I'm gonna have to say it. You know what I'm about to say. If you want to be my friend and join the Queen team, you know what you must do to get the tips, the tea, and the personal information, and that is hitting the red subscribe button below. Now, if you want to become more than just friends and become a best friend, not like a Issa and Molly friend, I'm talking about a actual real friend, you can go ahead and hit that link below to sign up to my newsletter, The Vibe. Okay, so now that we got all of those semantics out of the way, let's get into this video. I have wanted a space for my makeup for a very long time, and I've been looking for almost maybe over 6 to 7 months for the perfect vanity until I just decided that I'm going to create one on my own. So I went on a couple of different sites and I got these different pieces to put together to create my dream vanity. Like I said before, I'm going for that mid-century modern look. So I went on Pinterest and I saved a lot of pictures, y'all. A lot of pictures as my mood board, as my vision board, and I'll link that below so you can have a look at it. As you can see, the area where I keep my makeup at is atrocious. It's chaotic, and even though it's this messy, y'all would not believe me when I say I know where everything is. I know exactly where everything is. In this little space of a cart section that I got from Marshall's, it has wheels and everything like that. I have my jewelry, I have my makeup, I have some of my hair tools, I have some of my perfumes and stuff like that. It's just a bunch of stuff bunched together. So what I want to do is go ahead and clean this up. This cart will be used for something totally different, a different project that I'll be showing you all later on. Hopefully you all love this decor thing that I'm doing, and it'll be something different, but this is going downstairs. So what I'm going to do is just clean this off and make space for me to put my desk up, and hopefully it fits in this space, y'all. Okay, so I cleaned this whole area up back here. I put everything that I wanted to keep on my bed to the side, so you really can't see much of it, but a lot of it, y'all, I threw away. I had already had some stuff in this corner that I was going to put in my vanity area, so I just kept it stored right there, like this lipstick holder, which as you can see, it's pretty full already, but it's okay because I have two. So I'm just going to sort through it one more time to make sure that I really want this stuff. I believe that I have a passed down gene of hoarding a little bit, so it's very hard for me to let go of things. Every little thing has a significant story for me or a significant period to me, so it's hard for me to let go of things, but I really want this area to be clean, so I'm gonna let it go. So as you can see, this area is pretty much like a toddler sized baby. So for me to make sure that I want it on this side and even in this room, because I might have to put it in another room, I'm going to take the styrofoam that came in the box with the desk, and it covered the desk to protect it. It's the same exact size, length as the desk. So I'm just going to line it up against the wall to see if it fits. is a perfect fit, and I am happy with that. I have always been the type of person who like to put things together, especially if it only includes an Allen wrench. And this, basically, most of everything I did with the Allen wrench and maybe a screwdriver here and there. This is the Homfa writing computer desk / laptop notebook PC workstation / study makeup vanity table. I'm reading off of my Amazon description. This desk is the perfect size for that area over there by my bed, and I really loved it because it was super easy to put together, even though it looked like it had a million parts. The majority of the things that I ordered for this do-it-yourself vanity, I ordered from Amazon. I am an Amazon Prime member, so of course it came pretty quick. I had it for a couple of months because I procrastinated putting it together. Don't ask me why, I just did, but it's finally done. Better late than never. I actually put the vanity chair, which is a dining chair, I put that together via Instagram stories, but of course I'll link everything in the description box. I don't know about y'all if you ever put together anything with drawers. You know, the drawers are like the most tedious part, but this actually was not that bad. These drawers were super wide and fit a lot of my makeup and a lot of my hair tools. The mirror I got pretty cheap for like $80 from Target from the brand Project 62. It's like a square oval and I love how it looked. Definitely was better than the circle mirror that I initially planned for. I absolutely loved how my do-it-yourself vanity turned out, and I hope you loved it too. So if that's the case, please leave me a comment and please share, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this with me updating my apartment and decor. Until next time, girlfriends, see you later.